Hi guys. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox error. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings. So let's get started. First, open your Roblox account in the web browser. Next, go to your account settings, and then go to privacy settings here. Now here, make sure account restrictions are disabled. Next, go to parental controls and select 13+ here. Next, create a PIN, confirm your PIN, and then click on Add. Then you will receive a 6-digit code via email. Enter that code here, and then click on Verify. Next, enter the PIN attached to your account, and then click on Unlock here. And that's it. Hopefully, all of these processes will fix your problem. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.